trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful